Okay, they're asking us what is the value of x, and we're identifying the justification for each step of this. So, and this is an important one. This came up on a quiz that some people struggled to understand. So they've given us that the measure of angle AOC is 150, and they've also given us that these individual angles, AOB equal to 2x, and angle BOC angle to 6 parentheses x minus 3. Okay, but the fact that the measure of angle AOB, this smaller angle, and the measure of angle BOC, this other smaller angle, is equal to AOC, them together, you have to actually state that this plus this is equal to this, and that is called the angle addition postulate. Okay, two smaller angles with a shared common vertex and side will add together to be equal to the larger angle that they make. Okay, so angle addition postulate. Now, what do they do from here to here? They took, it says the measure of angle AOB, which we know to be 2x, and they just substituted it in. BOC, they substituted it in. Okay, AOC, which is 150, measure of angle AOC, which is 150, they substituted it in. Substitution. Yeah? Okay, now, what did they do from here to here? Well, they just distributed that 6x, or 6 to the x and to the negative 3 to result in this. What do you call that? Distributive property. Okay, now from here to there, from here to there, you took those two together. You simplified, but more specifically, and if you wrote simplify, that would be acceptable, but what you're really doing more specifically is you are combining the like terms, the x terms. Okay, and then from here to here, what did we do? Well, they must have added that 18 on to both sides because this increased by 18 and that disappeared. So they added the same amount to both sides. That is the addition property of equality. And then here we had 8 x's. Now we have a single x because they divided by 8. Here we had 168. Now we have 21 because they divided by 8. That is the division property of equality. And you are done.